Good evening all. My name is Ruhi Amil. I'm doing a Master in Mathematical Education from CIC Cluster Innovation Center, Delhi University. And I've done my project under the guidance of Dr. Prem Kumar Srivastav. And my project title is Mathematical Language Opportunities to Build Student Intellect in Elementary Level. Okay. What I've learned from after doing this project is so many things. After completing this project, I've introduced teachers. Mainly, I've actually interviewed so many teachers and lecturers during this project. And after that, I've made a framework. Before that, I've made key strategies to help teachers to build student intellect and to make mathematical language. What is mathematical language? Let me first tell you, mathematical language is totally related to the academic language. And now what is academic language? Academic language is the language of textbook, is the language used in the assessment, is the language used by the teacher, is the language which is called the language of success. Okay. So the student success totally depend on the academic language. And academic language, if academic language get difficult, the learning mathematics or understanding mathematical ideas and concepts, it's also become difficult for the students of elementary level. So during this project, I've mainly introduced 3 maps. First is concept map, and the wheel map, and finally the Freir's model. With the use of all these 3 maps, I've keenly observed the NCERT of class 5th and introduced 10 words. First, I collect all the difficult words, the difficult academic vocabulary, the mathematical vocabulary. The words are estimation, difference, analysis, operation, table, column, mean, product, and reduce and evaluate. These are the 10 words on which I have built the wheel map, concept map, and the Freir's model. Okay, this is all about just to make mathematical language, the academic language of mathematics, more comprehensible, more easy for the student, and to build strategies and to make a framework which help teachers in teaching mathematics in their classroom. Thank you.